Pindimar. Okay, so good luck. Let's see if we can find a nice spot there. See you there. Hi, so we made it to Pindimar. So this is we found a spot and we're going to see. Nelson Bay is whereabouts, Han?
Just there.
Just there. Oh, straight ahead. So yay. It's about, what time is it? 7?
It's 8
Oh, it's
o'clock.
8 o'clock already. So one more hour to go. There's a pelican just so close by.
Bees. I got bees.